from Barangay Santa Cruz, Operation. Hello, Paula. How are you doing tonight? What makes you happy?
I'm feeling happy because I know that there's a lot of people who keep on supporting and believing in me.
Are you now ready to answer your question? Please,
PK number from 1 to 10.
Two, ano pa? 2, 7, 2 and 7.
Number 2.
Question number 2, please.
Okay, so here's your question. What quality do you like most about yourself and why? Let me repeat. What quality do you like most about yourself and why?
The qualities that I love about myself would be how I discipline myself. And I know by this discipline, I know that I could walk with glamour and I could smile to the world. And I know whatever happens, whatever the outcome of this pageant would be, I know I am a winner in the eyes of my loved ones. And I still just want to enjoy this night and smile in front of all of you. That will be all for you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 9.